So guys, eto, A-pillar house. Tingnan natin. Ang design. Ito lang siya ka-simple. So you have here the beds. Disregard nyo yung ano. And that's the CR. O, diba? And then that's it. Kung taasan pa ito na onti, pwede pa maglagay dyan sa taas ng higaan. Diba? And that's the A-pillar house. Diba? Bongga kasita. Ito bongga yung swimming pool dito, oh. Ang ganda rin ang pool. That's the lanai area. Ito naman yung kasita. Tignan natin sa loob. Pagpasok mo dito, diba? May veranda. And then, this is the bedroom agad. Ang ganda ng design. Actually, pwedeng bedroom or sala ito. And then, air conditioner. And then sa taas, meron pa isang may space for another bed. And then, this is your kitchen. You have here your kitchen. Oh, dining. And then you have here the bathroom. Okay. Ang bongga. Ang bongga. Pasok ulit tayo. Tingnan natin. Ganito lang siya kaliit. Bonggang-bonggang house. And here's your bedroom. And then, labas na tayo. And there you go. You also have here space for ano, diba? Bongga.